Hey everybody, how's it going? Here with another review, and I have the new How to Train Your Dragon Hiccup and Toothless figure. I wanted to pick him up because I missed my chance when the animated movie came out all those years ago. Plus, I kept waiting for a good Toothless figure. I guess in a way I still am. But for right now, this will work. But yeah, here's what the packaging is going to look like. Got the new logo, Toothless Hiccup, obviously open packaging. So you can kind of see Hiccup there underneath the wing. Good picture of the movie characters. Real feel dragon wings, which is just a soft rubber. How to apply the wing or the tail and Hiccup. Little promo shots. The other two that are already out available. And of course, all the gibberish and barcodes and everything. So, that being said, let's get him open. Now, with this open packaging, I can easily see some toy thefts in the future for the stores. Oh wow, tiny little Hiccup. Anyway, yeah, that's it for the packaging. Because it is based, or now that it's going to be a live action, everything has a little darker tone to it, I guess. So it's kind of a nice packaging, not gonna lie. But let's get the tail on. No. Okay. So should just pop right on. Sorry, behind the camera. There we go. All right. Whoop. So here it is with the tail on. Very soft tail. Actually kind of soft fins all over. Here's the underside. Let's get the feet extended. But as you can see, it can move up for flight. Even though the wings don't splay out, but that's okay. Let's get Hiccup on. Okay, so actually I should probably go over articulation real quick. Ooh, stiff joints. Oh. Okay, good, didn't break that. Simple one there. Okay, anyway, sorry. We'll start with Hiccup, actually. For his articulations, pretty basic. Whole arm, no elbow. Head can do some. Obviously, can rotate all the way around. A little bit of tilt. A little bit of up, not much down. No waist. Leg can go out that far. Bend about 90 degrees and no foot. So, basic articulation. For Toothless, obviously his wings are on a hinge. So you can have them flappity flap. Obviously the legs can go up or down. And the mouth is articulated. So again, pretty basic articulation. I mean, this is basically for kids, so can't really complain too much. But let's see how well we can get Hiccup on here. So I'm going to do another behind the camera thing. So let's see if we can hold any of these posts. Not very well. Yeah, not very well. Okay. Well. Alright, well, in the end, I had to tuck his legs underneath the wings. He can't really grab the posts on the saddle unless I'm... Oh shit, he's supposed to... Okay. That explains that. He's supposed to sit right here. That's weird. Anyway. Basic. But really nice for what it is. And my dog's barking, so I'm going to have to cut it short. So, I got some other reviews coming, so be looking forward to that. Until then, happy early Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. But be good to each other. Don't be a dick. If you're suffering, seek help. And hey, happy hunting.